Donnell? Ms. Donnell, could you please tell the court your name, ma'am?
Tegan Summers Trader Donnell.
What are we doing?
I'm going to be requesting an adjournment. I believe I did provide a green sheet to the court.
Yes, you did. You want to address the bond violation?
Yes, Your Honor, with regard to the bond violation, I believe Ms. Donnell would be prepared to admit to it, and she has checked herself into treatment.
I do struggle with addiction, and I am currently have checked myself into Spera Recovery Center.
To where?
Spera Recovery Center, it's detox. Excuse me, I don't mean to interrupt you. I did a level of care assessment. They recommended a 30-day program, and then I hopefully will go to transitional housing.
I don't have any of that.
Your Honor, I did provide that to the court.
And I have spoken to my bond advisor as well.
Where's the Dawn from? Is she in currently?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was she in at the time of these?
I believe she checked herself in after the violation. Is that correct, Ms. Donnell?
I found out about my violation actually.
Which violation?
I'm sorry, what? Yes, I've been struggling a lot, if I may speak.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7
May I adjust?
tests for cocaine.
Ms. Donnell, my understanding is that you...
And are you on a prescription that's an amphetamine?
No.
And so 3 tests with the cocaine that also tested positive for amphetamines. Then on January 13th, she missed.
Yes, Your Honor. And she will freely admit that to the court, that this is a result of her struggle with addiction, and that she has now checked herself into Spera for detox.
No, that's not going to be good enough. But you didn't do that until when?
I've been there since Saturday.
Yeah, that's the problem. These tests, and you say it's because you were struggling with these, and that you also got a notification of a positive test. Your positive test date back to November 26th.
There was, may I speak?
Yeah.
The first test I had was positive, and it was a false positive. So I sent that out, and it came back negative. Then after that,
what test is that?
The very first one.
On what date?
November 26th, probably. After that, I have struggled with addiction. I went to Oakdale for 3 days. I got out, and I've been homeless, and I didn't have a place that was substance free, and I continued to struggle. I take responsibility for my substance use, and I continued to struggle. And if I have to go to jail, I understand that. But I didn't know I had a bond violation warrant out for me until after I went to Spera.
Till after you went?
Yes. But I assumed it would happen eventually anyways. I'm just surprised it didn't happen sooner. I struggle with addiction.
I get that, man.
I know.
And I don't know why you're not an inpatient when I'm looking at this.
I am an inpatient.
For 30 days.
Correct. I'm here with an RSS, a recovery support specialist with me.
Maybe I should have put it this way. Why weren't you in there earlier?
There's no excuse. I went to Oakdale for 3 days for a little detox thing, and I got out and I was like, oh, I got a job. I'll be able to do that. And I was still struggling so much I didn't follow through with the job. So as soon as I realized I wasn't going to be able to do the job, I got myself into inpatient. I shouldn't have expected myself to be able to work a job when I was getting high.
Where are the amphetamines coming from?
I don't know. That may be a medication I'm taking or something. Or something in this. No, I don't like, it's difficult to be up here talking about, hey, I struggle with seizures in the first place. But
And you're saying the reason that you missed your recent test is because you're an inpatient?
Correct.
It's a 30-day, and so when are you expected to be done with this?
I checked in on the 10th, so roughly about the 9th or 10th of February.
Adjourn this to February 12th, 2026 at 9 a.m. That's for PCC and sentencing on the violation. I will let you continue in treatment, but you are to get over to community corrections for placement on a Tether location, tracking Tether.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Her bond will continue on.
Thank you. Should she go over there now?
She better.
Okay. You know,
Good morning, Your Honor. Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender, representing Mr. Douglas.
Your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Sean Douglas.
You're requesting an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor. I also have here, after Mr. Douglas gets a chance to sign it, a referral form to mental health treatment court.
Got it. I don't know what their timing on everything is. But there you go, February 5th, 2026, 9 a.m.
And Your Honor, may we address bond as well?
Briefly.
Thank you. Your Honor, Mr. Douglas is in a vastly different situation than he was when he missed court previously. He now has stable housing. He has a support system, which includes his father, his roommate, and several friends, and Ozone House. He also now has a bus pass, so he has stable housing and transportation so that he could return to court. We are asking that the court consider a personal recognizance bond for him so that he can show, Your Honor, all the improvements and efforts that he's made.
Any response from the people?
Mayor, I'd leave it up to the discretion of the court.
I've got a concern that we don't have a full assessment of him, and I've got weapons charges. That's a big concern to the court.
I understand your concern. It is my understanding, Miss Akiriakan-Ruli has been in communication with Mr. Douglas's father, and it's my understanding the mother is the complainant, and that she is at this point asking just for him to be held responsible for the damages to the vehicle. So I'm not excusing his behavior, but I think this is a family situation and a little more complex.
Right, but until I get an assessment, given all of that, I'm not going to change anything. He's going to stay right where he is. See, the motion for bond reduction is denied. I'm going to leave him there. Maybe once there is the assessment or initial assessment for mental health court, I'll have a better picture of it. But under these circumstances, I'm not doing it. All right.
Right,